Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Passion Planner Pro 2019, and this is just going to be a quick little look at my planner, how I have it so far, and yada yada. Alright, so here is the first page. This is where I found please return to my name. Then it's like the beginning of these pages are kind of just like a how to use this planner. So yeah, so now here we are at the roadmap, and this roadmap is pretty much just like a step-to-step guide to mapping out my goals. My main thing for the 3 months is just to be accepted to a boot camp, so like being able to become a software developer. So next page is to create your first passion plan. So this is kind of like what you would put in your 3 months. The one that I circle in red are the ones that I will mainly want to focus on. Those are going to be like the 4 goals that I prioritized. And then out of the 4, I'm going to just choose one, which is to get into the boot camp. And I have like a bunch of plans to make that accessible. So I said I'm going to pray every day to get in. I'm going to study at least 6 hours a day, 6 times a week. Apply. You know, obviously I got to apply, because applying to boot camp is really stressful. To like go through the entire process, you kind of feel like, oh, what if I'm not ready? I can't do this. But I'm afraid of doing it, but I'm going to do it just because I need to do it. Something I need to do in order to get go towards my goals. Work towards my goals. For here, they have a month's focus, and I pretty much say to work out, be social, do YouTube, because I have abandoned my channel for some months, and also to get into the boot camp, which is in there. And then people to see as new friends, old friends, just so that I can have more of a social life, because I'm a very introverted person, and it really is so easy for me to not see people for months because I'm just so introverted. And then I like this place to go. I said library. I need to go to the library. I haven't been to the library. And then meetups. I haven't been to a meetup either, but I'll tell you about that later. Not to do, procrastinate. Yes, Kemi, do not procrastinate. Those little images that you see, they're supposed to be fully colored, but you can see that something happened with my printer. But I just took them out here because in the calendars, let me show you a blank calendar for reference. We're still in February. Let's check February's calendar, since I didn't do that yet. You see the empty calendars are like really gray. I don't really like it. I like a lot of color. The scheme of the calendar is black and gray, so I guess black, gray, and white, so that you can like, I guess, color it and do whatever you want to it. But I just decided to put some images on there just to make it colorful. I try to put like winter themed stuff, like you know, deers, someone reading a book in front of the fire, this little lake house with snow around it. But I put here some things that like events that I want to go to. These events that are crossed out in the red, they were canceled literally like 2 days after I had wrote these down. I don't know why they canceled it, but they did. So I couldn't go, but it sucks because these are a lot of coding meetups that I would like to know more about. Every Saturday I want to post a YouTube video, so I decided to just post the types of videos that I will be posting, but that schedule kind of got out of whack just because I thought to do other videos instead. But it's still a good reminder to tell me like, hey girl, you need to go ahead and post every week. And I decided to post once a week because that's just a lot easier for me, because I get overwhelmed with all the things I have to do. I wanted to go to Toastmasters because I want to be able to speak well, and you know, have better speech practices, because I can't really speak well in front of people, and it's like kind of annoying. And then here is this is like some like an additional place to put your ideas and goals. I decorated it as the Lunar New Year lamps. I don't know these YouTubers' names, but there's this really if you watch a lot of bullet journal books, you probably know where this is from. But there's this girl. She's really popular with the bullet journal crowd. She has these really beautiful designs every month on her bullet journal, and was January, and I copied her scheme, and so I was like, okay, it looked really nice. I need to color it in a bit more, but it really looks nice. And I love doodling, I love drawing, so this is like a really fun thing to do, and I'll probably do this every month. Since I don't have a bullet journal, this is like the space where I'll put everything in. And the 3 months, I just put in like, okay, I'm gonna blur this out, because this is the boot camp that I want to get into. This is a book I want to read, and exercise. I want to exercise, and I've actually been doing Blogilates exercising her 30-day ab thing, and it's been really working my abs, so yay. So now we're in the first week, and I'll just show you the first week, because that's what I have. This is the week, and it shows you the week's focus, and I said I want to go to different places to study, because that helps you with just memorizing things. I don't know, I read like an article about how to study and all that, and they said to go different places to study, so that's what I did. And this is supposed to say good things that happened this week, but I didn't write that. I just was like in a mood one day, and I just was like, I'm gonna write these things. And I said, when I'm tired, I would drink water or caffeine. Sad, I will journal. I don't feel like waking up, I will put the phone across the room so I can like walk down and get it. And then they have these little quotes on here every week. It's always something new. It says, the secret of getting ahead is getting started, by Mark Twain. So it's really nice. These personal stuff are the phone list, so I won't. These are like phones, numbers. I won't show you that. So this is how I pretty much do my calendar. It's kind of just like time blocking, pretty much. Each color is just each time of the day. So for the first week, it was a little different because things changed. This week is like the morning ritual. This was the errands. This was the studying. This is the nighttime routine. So I would try to do this every single day. And then on Saturday, Sunday is a little bit different. So I didn't really color it out because I couldn't finish. Like I just forgot to color it out. And so, but it's a lot different from obviously the rest of the week. It's a lot different. And a lot of the time I'll just put in what I need to do. I don't have to actually necessarily follow the hour schedule, because if you can see, it's in 30-minute increments. So you can, if you want like an appointment at 8 a.m., you can put it right here, and then you can just kind of, schedule your day. And it's really perfect for people who are like students too, who have like a set schedule every day, or even if you maybe work a job that's like different hours of the day every week. I don't know, kind of like a bullet journal. I put these little water stuff here because I want to make sure I drink like 3 liters of water a day, but I've only been drinking 1.5 liters, so that's why pretty much all of these days have only 1 little drop. So whatever. This is my habit journal. They have a lot of printable things, so you can just kind of print it from their website, from the Passion Planner website, and you can stick it onto your little planner. And I stuck this in here, and I did all these things. So I did water, exercise, journaling, studying, no spending, and sleep by 10:30 p.m. I did not do any sleeping or water goals at all, and I kind of stopped at like Thursday. So and the next week I didn't actually print this out either, but maybe next week I will. But I pretty much just want to track my habits, and it's pretty good. Like, it's different colors, so I really like this, that the planner doesn't really bleed through when it comes to the markers. So, because I love using markers and colors, it's better than stickers because you gotta spend so much money on stickers. So what I like about this book is that they have monthly reflections, and they kind of ask you just a few questions about how your month went and kind of see how you're doing with the goals that you've had planned. And I think it's really cool stuff. And then here I love the most is these extra, the extra paper on here. Look at that. There's like extra paper, and then some of them are bullets, like a bullet journal. I don't know if you can see it, but look at that, like bullets. So I get like, I haven't really had the time to actually make anything, but I do definitely want to do some type of bullet journal type stuff where people, I want to do some bullet journal type stuff, like maybe a mood tracker. That's pretty much my planner, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos, like this video and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!